Okay, class. So now I am starting. Just look at the screen carefully. So I'll explain you on half screen. Okay. Just look here. Chapter number 6 it is. Okay. So each and every question whatever you are having you will ask at the end of the chapter. अभी आप ये वीडियो देखना स्टार्ट करिए and start understanding the chapter. Chapter 6 बहुत ही ज़्यादा interesting chapter है. It is very interesting. Why? Because it is plants, right? It is about plants and plants के बारे में everything is very very interesting. Okay? So आज हम लोग start करते हैं chapter number 6. So in this chapter, first of all, the question is why leaves are green. The first question of the chapter is why leaves are green. So the answer I have already told you. Why leaves are green. Why leaves are green? What is the answer of this question? Leaves are green because why leaves are green? Leaves are green because of a pigment which is known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Okay. So leaves are green because of a pigment which is known as chlorophyll. Look around the garden. Most plants that you see are green in color. Whenever you look around the garden, जब भी हम एक garden में जाते हैं, so हम क्या notice करते हैं that there is greenery. Greenery होती है चारों तरफ आपके. Trees are green. Whenever you go in a garden or whenever you visit a forest, you will see that the trees are green. Everywhere there is greenery. Okay. Most plants that you see are green in color. ज्यादातर जो plants आपको नजर आते हैं they are green in color. ज्यादातर जो plants आपको दिखाई देते हैं the visible plants, the plants which are visible to you, they are green in color. Okay. They look green because of their green leaves. वो green color के क्यों दिखते हैं आपको? Because of their green leaves. अपनी green leaves की वजह से they look green in color. And why do you think leaves are green? चलो tell me, let's see कौन बताएगा सबसे पहले कि leaves green color की क्यों होती है? Why are leaves green? Come on everyone. Why are leaves green? I'll speak the name of the student जो सबसे पहले बताएगा. Why are leaves green? Because of chlorophyll. Very nice. So leaves are green because of chlorophyll. Nitya, Soumya, very nice. Monish, Himanshu, very good because of chlorophyll. So leaves have a green substance which is known as chlorophyll. Leaves में green substance present होता है जिसको हम chlorophyll बोलते हैं. That gives them green color. जो कि leaves को कौन सा color provide करता है? Green color. Very nice students. Brilliant. Okay. Did you know that non-green living things such as mushroom cannot make its own food? क्या आपको पता है कि जो non-green things होती है, non-green things यानी mushroom हो गया, like mushroom and different kind of non-green plants like mistletoe, dodar, these are non-green plants which depend on some other plant or which depend on some other organism for their food. So they cannot make their own food because they do not have chlorophyll, right? So chlorophyll क्या है? It is very very important. Chlorophyll is very important. It is very important for making food. Food बनाने के लिए chlorophyll क्या है? It is very very important, right? So to make food, chlorophyll is very very important. Okay? Chlorophyll बहुत ज़्यादा important होती है जब आपको food बनाना होता है. Fine? This is because chlorophyll is necessary for plants to make their food. Let us see why. So क्यों जरूरी है chlorophyll plants में food बनाने के लिए, अब हम उसके बारे में देखेंगे. So first of all chlorophyll क्या होता है? Chlorophyll is a green pigment. So अभी हमने क्या सीखा? We have learned that chlorophyll is a green pigment. It is a green pigment. Chlorophyll is a green pigment and this green pigment helps the plant to be green in color. ये जो chlorophyll है ये plants को help करता है to be green in color. Green बनने में help करता है. Okay? Understood till here? यहाँ तक समझ आ गया सबको? Is it clear till here everyone that chlorophyll किस में help करता है? To be green in color. Okay? Green, very nice. All right? Okay. Next topic हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, so just look here. Now here is another topic which is written right here. इसको हम zoom कर देते हैं थोड़ा सा. Now it is visible clearly. Just look at the screen that how do plants make their food. Plants अपना खुद का food कैसे बना सकते हैं? How do plants make their food? So the process by which plants make their food is called photosynthesis. The process जिससे plants अपना खुद का food prepare कर सकते हैं. This process is known as photosynthesis, right? Students, instead of writing messages in the chat box, अगर आप voice पे concentrate करेंगे तो आपको class और अच्छे से समझ आएगा. Beta, you are wasting only your time, not mine. Because I am teaching, you are not studying. So you are wasting your time. Please concentrate. So here, the process of making food into the plant, the process by which the plants make their own food, this process is known as photosynthesis. इस process को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Photosynthesis बोलते हैं, right? So this process is known as photosynthesis. Very nice. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Good, Soumya. Soumya is studying. Very nice. So photo means क्या होता है? Light. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Photo means light. Photosynthesis is a kind of process in which sunlight is required. Photosynthesis एक ऐसा process है जिसमें sunlight की जरूरत होती है. किसकी जरूरत होती है? Sunlight की. What is required? Sunlight is required. Without sunlight, photosynthesis is not possible. Very nice, everyone. Without sunlight, photosynthesis is not possible. Okay. Now I will show you one video and then we will continue reading about photosynthesis. Okay. So just look at the screen. So just look at the screen, everyone. So just read it everyone, that plants prepare their own food by a process known as photosynthesis. Isn't this video interesting? Say yes in the chat box if you are enjoying this video. Say yes in the chat box if you are enjoying this video. Very nice. Okay, so we'll continue. So here students, have you seen what happened? Have you seen that sunlight and carbon dioxide? This carbon dioxide went into the leaves, okay? So ये carbon dioxide atmosphere में present होती है from the air and it went into the leaves. ये क्या है? Plant के लिए ingredients है so that plant can prepare its own food. And you can see that H2O, that is water, plant get the water from the soil, from the roots to prepare its own food. So let's continue this video, okay? You can see these small pores. So this Mr. Leaf is having small tiny pores, and these small tiny pores are known as stomata, जिनसे ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को inhale करते हैं, by which they can take carbon dioxide. So ये tiny pores present होते हैं on the surface of leaf, okay? See, chlorophyll is present. Okay, class. Now look here what is happening. In the process of photosynthesis, as you can see that these carbon dioxide is entering the stomata and water is coming from the roots. Plant is using sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose and oxygen is released. Oxygen यहाँ से देखो release हो रहा है from the leaf. So plant gives you oxygen. This thing तो you know very well, right? Plants हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं, yes or no? Plant give us oxygen, yes or no? Yes, they do give us oxygen. And from where they are providing us the oxygen? By the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis की process के through, okay? So just complete this video. It is almost completed. Let's complete this video and then we will move on to the next topic. The process of photosynthesis, glucose is formed. What is formed? Glucose. So plant का food क्या होता है बेटा? Glucose is the food of plant. You know that जब हम ग्लूकॉन डी पीते तो हमारे अंदर कैसे instant energy आ जाती है. Similarly, plant also requires energy, right? And plant take their energy from glucose, which they made from the process of photosynthesis. अब हमारे घर में जो extra food होता है, we store it in the form of or inside the refrigerator, right? So plant also store their food. Extra जो glucose बच जाता है, they store it inside the leaf in the form of starch. Starch के form में store कर लेते हैं, okay? Okay, so this Mr. Sun have told us the process of photosynthesis in a very interesting way, isn't it? इस वीडियो से हमें photosynthesis का process बहुत ही interesting way में समझ आया that photosynthesis is the process by which plants can prepare their own food, जिससे plants अपना खुद का food prepare कर सकते हैं, by which plants can prepare their own food using carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So by this plant can prepare their own food. इसमें सबसे important role किसका है? Mr. Sun का, यानी sunlight plays a very very important role in photosynthesis. So सबको समझ आ गया यहाँ पे? What do you mean by photosynthesis? Clear everyone? Yes or no? Brilliant, okay? So I guess this video is almost completed. Okay, so we have completed this video. I hope this video was interesting for you all. Yes, I'll bring more interesting videos for you all. So I hope today's class is like clear to you all. Still, if you are having any kind of doubts, you can start asking in the doubt counters and here in the chat box.